Hey, I'm Jusko from ProudMoney.com, and in this video we are going to look at instant approval credit cards that not only offer you instant approval, but also offer you same-day immediate use of your credit line even before you have the physical credit card in your hand. Before we do it, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not already, and if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So for a very long time, we have had a page on the Proud Money site that tracks the credit cards out there that offer you instant approval and instant use of your credit line. Now, for a very long time, there were not really any of the major banks on there or the major bank cards. It was mostly retail cards, but within the last year or so that has changed. A couple of the big issuers now offering instant approval and instant use of some or all of their credit cards. American Express got the party started with their instant card number feature that they rolled out sometime in 2021. This allows you to be instantly approved, potentially, and if you are instantly approved, you could then use, in most cases, part of your credit line immediately. And this is true on all of American Express's personal credit cards, from the Blue Cash cards to Amex Gold and Platinum to co-brand cards like Delta and Hilton and Marriott. It is not true of American Express business cards though, so it is just the personal cards where you have that instant card number. Now, the instant card number is something that you can use within digital wallets, so things like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, you would be able to use the card immediately. American Express does say that you may not get access to your full credit line when you are approved, but you will have access to some piece of it. And they also do say that they have to be able to authenticate you in order for you to be able to get access to that line before you actually get the physical credit card in your hand. They're a little squishy in terms of what it means to authenticate you, but if you look on their website, there is a video that they have in one place where they say sort of within the application process, they are going to send you an email afterwards if you are approved, and then you can go and provide some sort of authentication in order to get access to the instant card number. So as far as I can tell, that probably means you have to show some sort of ID. Maybe you have to scan it with your phone in order for them to see it and know that it is actually you, but they don't tell exactly how that works. So if you have gone through that process and used the instant card number, I'd love to hear how you were authenticated. But you do have to be authenticated, and you can use part of your credit line on all of American Express's personal credit cards. And then earlier this year, Chase dipped their toe in the water with their Spend Instantly feature. It is not available on all of their credit cards, and I'm not quite sure why it is available on some and not others, but you do have the feature on the Chase Freedom Unlimited. You have it on the Sapphire Preferred and the Sapphire Reserve. You've got it on some of their co-brand cards, including the Southwest cards, United, Marriott, the Hyatt cards, and then there are some cards where you don't have it. And strangely enough, the cards that don't have the Spend Instantly feature start with the Chase Freedom Flex. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited does have it, Chase Freedom Flex does not. And then you have the Chase Business cards do not have the Spend Instantly feature, and then some of the co-brand cards, including IHG, Amazon, and Disney, their Visa cards do not have it, although you may be able to use the Amazon Visa on Amazon after you are approved. And Disney, I believe their Visa, they'll let you book a Disney vacation immediately, but not use the card otherwise. And you have some other ones as well. The Aeroplan card, the new Instacart card from Chase does not have it, at least as I make this video. And again, when we're talking about these cards being able to be used instantly when you don't have the physical card in your hand, we're talking about using it through the digital wallets or online. So we're talking about Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, through PayPal as well. And then the only other major issuer that offers instant approval and instant use, at least as far as I understand it, is Bank of America, but you have to have a previous relationship with Bank of America, an account open already so they know who you are, and you apply for the card through the Bank of America app. I have not done this myself, but that is my understanding. And then a few other cards that are not associated with a particular retailer that have instant use include the PayPal Cashback MasterCard that you can use through PayPal once you are approved. You have the SoFi credit card that you can use online, and then you also have the Venmo Visa. And then there are a lot of retail store cards that you can use immediately if you are instantly approved, and in fact in many cases you're incentivized to do so with same-day discounts when you are approved and use the card. So among the biggest names, you've got Walmart. You can use their card immediately through Walmart Pay. That is a Capital One issued card. Capital One does not offer immediate use on their general cards, but the Walmart card is an exception. My understanding is that the Costco Anywhere Visa you can also use immediately at Costco, but not otherwise until you have the physical card. The Target Red card for a long time has offered immediate use with a discount usually on the day that you apply and are approved and use the card. And then you've got a lot of other major retailers that really want to get their credit cards in your hand and get you to use them immediately, giving you discounts or rewards right off the bat if you use the card on that same day. You've got cards from Best Buy, Home Depot, Lowe's, the Verizon Visa. You've got your department store credit cards like Macy's, Kohl's, JCPenney, Nordstrom, IKEA. The Sephora and Ulta credit cards have instant approval and the potential for immediate use. And then of course the granddaddy of sort of the retail cards where they really try to get them into your hands, the Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, Athleta family of cards. And then in some cases, airline credit cards will have offers where they will approve you and allow you to use the card instantly if you are booking a trip with them. So sometimes American Airlines, JetBlue, Frontier, I think Hawaiian Airlines, and some of the others as well. So now that American Express and Chase have jumped on board with some immediate use credit cards, if you are making a big purchase somewhere and you want to get some rewards for that purchase, but you don't have a credit card where you're going to get a big bonus or something else, and you want to sign up for a new one, well then you have some options there. And then of course those retail cards oftentimes might have the discounts or the rewards, but oftentimes they also will have some 0% financing or some very good financing, especially on some bigger ticket items. So a lot of options for you if you want or need immediate credit out there. If I have forgotten some, which I probably have, I would love to hear them in the comments section below, or if you have any other comments, put those down there too. Otherwise, I thank you for watching, and as always, please go to proudmoney.com where we do credit card reviews. We talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. If you are not going to leave a comment or you're not going to go to the website, I would like you right now to watch this video.